Hello everyone, my name is Andrey. Today I came to Siberia to visit my parents. They live in the same city where I was born and grew up. The city of Bratsk, Irkutsk region. Even now this area well since I was a child. My childhood and school years we spent here. My friends and acquaintances were born here, and I feel at home here. I am currently staying at my parents' apartment. This is ordinary apartment in an apartment building that was built many years ago. And this is my dog. His name is Larry. This a typical apartment building for Siberia cities. Most of the residents of the city life in such house. There is a luxury here, but there is everything you need for comfortable life. I want to show you the balcony. Things are usually stored here. There are even very old things. Toys, car, gun, water gun, and oh, interesting. All the music players. Yeah. Oh. Of interest, they such a machine for printing letters. It was possible to place a piece of paper on it and print any text. The entrance look like this. There is a staircase, usually three, four apartments are located on one floor. Here you can see a stand where advertising paper is passed. There used to be a woman here who decided whether you could be let into the entrance. She was in the role of a security guard. These no such things anymore. The house is built to keep warm well in winter. This is very important in our climate because temperature can drop to extremely low levels. In the courtyard you can see the ordinary life of people. There are cars parked here. Many of them covered with snow. In winter, cars are often parked with the engine running. It looked different in my childhood, but now time is running out and something has been removed, something has been replaced. We came up with different games to entertain ourselves. For example, the game is called Catch Up. The bottom line is that one person is running after others. His task is to catch up and touch, and the task of others is to escape and not get caught. There is also another game. You take the ball and kick into the wall very well in bounces from the task is to hit the same ball to the next player. The one who scores minus 4 points gets knocked out and stands next to this wall, and a ball is kicked at him. People are coming out of the entrances, rushing about their business, carrying bags of groceries, taking their children to school. If you look around, you can see many similar houses. Most residential buildings in Siberia look exactly like this. They were built in Soviet times and are designed for a large number of residents. The city looks simple and functional. There are no skyscrapers and ancient architecture here, but there is its own atmosphere. Calm, harsh, and real. In winter, everything is covered with snow, and the houses look almost the same, as if they were part of one big landscape. You can see roads, cars, transport stop, and other residential buildings. This an ordinary urban landscape in Siberia. Despite its simplicity, people with different histories, professionals, and distances live here. There is a life outside every window. For me, the city is associated with childhood memories. Here I walked with friends, played in the yard, went to school, and for the first time saw a real Siberian winter. Every yard, every road reminds me of the past. Coming back here is like going back to your childhood, despite the fact that the city may seem simple. For me, it's filled with meaning and memories. Today I showed you the house where my parents live. Our yard and ordinary apartments building in Siberia. This is not a tourist destination, but the real life of people in Siberia. If you are interested in seeing more about life in my city, about people, nature, and the everyday reality of Siberia, stay with me and subscribe to the channel, put likes. Bye everyone.